I know there's a lot of veterans and a lot of current soldiers and all here tonight. This song is for y'all. It's called Thank You. This morning I woke up in my own bed, awakened by the peaceful morning sunlight. Suddenly a thought came through my head. Someone stayed awake so that I could sleep last night. Somewhere someone's hunkered down with a rifle in their hand. The terror pounding loud inside their chest as the air raid sirens blast across the hostile desert sand. Over here we had a peaceful night of rest. They don't get much glory for a job worth more than pay. It sounds so insignificant, but all that I can think to say is thank you. Thank you for your sacrifice. Thank you for all the times you risked your life. When we see our soldiers, we should sing their praises aloud. Let them know how much they've made our country proud. Tell them thank you. Well, just last week I saw a soldier at the airport, hugging two little crying blonde-haired boys. Tonight he's gonna leave his wife and his family, go fight for that way of life we all enjoy. In some God-forsaken desert in a far-off foreign land, protecting our liberty, unselfishly he'll stand. They don't get much glory for a job worth more than pay. So we should never miss an opportunity to say thank you. Thank you for your sacrifice. Thank you to all the ones that gave their life. When we see our soldiers, we should sing their praises loud. Let them know how much they've made their country proud. Tell them thank you. This morning I woke up in my own bed, awakened by the peaceful morning sun.